Hello there. Today I've got a 2014 JH series Holden Cruze. This is Z series SRI. It's got a 1.6 turbo engine in it with the 6-speed manual. Hitting the left, right hand front there. Airbags have gone off. It's got 44,000 Ks on the clock. I don't know if I come up on which one started here. Press the button there. 44866. I'll start it up. There we go. Let's go over there. It's got the MyLink, SatNav, just a 6-speed leather trim, black leather interior there. We've got the 3 doors. Depends on one door. Pop the bonnet here for you. A16, there they are. Got a left headlight, got a spotlight left guard. Good to see a little ding in the door down here. In there. Got a good boot lid, good tail lights. I think one wheel's okay. We have 3 doors. And yeah, that's about it. Okay. JH Holden Cruze 2014 1.6 turbo. Need any parts? Give us a call. Thanks for watching. Bye.